Hello, this is Olga Franco here, and I would like to invite you to the Women Unleash Your Potential Telesummit. I will be speaking there along with many other incredible women speakers about how to make the most of your life. As women of 21st century, we are very busy and barely find time for ourselves, so this is a great chance to change this bad habit. If you want to learn how to become a happier, healthier and more successful version of yourself, this Telesummit is just right for you. From me, you will hear everything about happiness in intimate relationship, no matter whether you are in one currently or yet to find your Mr. Right. As women, we need to learn how to love and appreciate ourselves first, before we can expect this of our partners. So register to the Women Unleash Your Potential Telesummit on the link below this video and start mastering every area of your life right now. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.